How to react to Instagram messages with different emojis. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, navigate to the messaging section. Once you're here, let's go ahead to any random chat to see how it's done. Once you are on the conversation right here, all what you need to do is just click and hold on the message that you want to react to, and as soon as you do that, you will get this pop-up window right here that includes and contain different emojis that you can use to react to the messages. Say for example, you can just click to react to the message. As you can see, now if we click and hold on it again, it says right here tap and hold to super react. So let's see how that is done. Let's tap and hold, and once you do that, you will be able to super react. As you can see, now if you just click and hold on it again, you will see that this window contain a plus icon. If you click on it, a new menu list will open up, which contains a lot of different emojis that you can use to react, and you can even use the search bar to search for a specific emoji. So let's for example just uh click on, say for example, uh, this emoji right here. As you can see, you will be able to react with this emoji. Now if you clicked on the emoji at the bottom right corner of the message, you will be able to unreact. Now for some of you, this feature might not be available. And how can you fix that? So all that you need to do is you need to make sure that you are using the latest version of Instagram. So go ahead to Play Store and update your app. Now if that still does not work, you need to keep in mind that as with any new feature and as with any app, this kind of features, new features, will start to slowly rolling out to more and more users till eventually everyone gets it. So if you don't have it, you might just need to wait a bit, and eventually you will have it, just like with any other feature. So that was it for this video. That's how you can react with different emojis on Instagram messages. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.